find out resistance of given wire using meter bridge. So we are using here constant wire. Apparatus used meter bridge, connection wires, galvanometer, resistance box, battery or battery eliminator, constant wire. Then theory and formula, it is based on Wheatstone bridge principle. As we can see here, 4 resistances are connected in this bridge, PQ, RS. In 4 arms of this bridge, galvanometer is connected between BD and A. In between A and C, one battery eliminator and key is connected here. And here this is the diagram for meter bridge. It consists of 1 meter wire. It is mounted on a wooden board and it has 2 side scale. Left side, upper scale, it has 0 in left hand side and right hand side 100. And lower scale, it has 0 left hand side and right hand side it has 0. And it consists of the copper strips here. It consists of the strips. It consists of 1 meter wire and it is mounted on the wooden board. And there is scale. It is both side scale. Upper side 0 is there on left hand side and right hand side there is 100 is marked there. Lower scale, left hand side 0 and left hand side 100 and right hand side 0 is there. And in between there are 2 gaps. In one of the gap, resistance box is connected. In another gap, unknown resistance S is connected. There is the coil of constant wire and this midpoint, this terminal is connected with galvanometer. Another end of the galvanometer is connected with the jockey. So after doing, and in between A and C point, one battery is connected. A is connected with positive terminal of battery. Negative is connected with the key. If you are using battery eliminator, no need of the key because you can switch on and switch off the circuit. Already switch is given here. It is connected to the rheostat. We have not connected the rheostat inside the lab because we already, without connecting the rheostat, we are getting both side deflection. And this variable end is connected to point C. We'll touch the jockey near the end A. Galvanometer shows one side deflection. If we'll touch the jockey near the end C, it shows opposite side deflection. That means our connections are correct. And then we have to start the experiment. We'll take out some value of the resistance from the resistance box. Suppose it is 1 ohm. We'll move the jockey over the wire and then we'll see inside the lab this null deflection point is at 20 centimeter and then that 20 centimeter is value of P as P is proportional to L and remaining value of Q will be 100 minus L means 80 centimeter. Then we will substitute the values in the given formula. S is equal to R 100 minus L upon L. So we will substitute this value and then we'll repeat the same experiment for 2 ohm, 3 ohm. That means we have to take 5 observations. Then we will find out the least count and then we will write the answer with proper unit. And then you will write the precautions, 2 precautions, 2 sources of error. And precautions are connection should be very tight and whenever we are performing the experiment then only the current should be passed and knobs of the resistance box should be very tight. Now we will proceed for the experiment. This is point A and point C. 1 meter wire is connected here. This is the wooden board. 0 for the upper scale, both side scale is here. So 0 in left hand side for the upper scale, 100 is here, and for the lower scale 0 at this place and 100 is here. Now this in between A and C, this is the point A or starting point you can say. This is connected with the positive terminal of the battery. A point is connected to the positive of the battery eliminator and negative is connected to the last point or you can say C point of the meter bridge. In between one of the gap, this resistance box is connected. In another end, unknown resistance coil is connected here, and this middle point is connected to the galvanometer. Another end of the galvanometer will be left free, or you can connect the jockey here. Simply you can do the experiment with the help of this wire also. So before we start the experiment, we'll switch on. First we have to switch on this one, and then you have to switch on from the battery eliminator. You will take out certain value of the resistance. So I am taking out 1 ohm. 1 ohm from here, and then we'll touch the jockey near the end A. So it shows left side deflection, and now we'll touch the jockey near the end C. It shows right side deflection. That means our connections are right. Now we can perform the experiment. We'll move this jockey slowly, and then we'll find out null deflection point for 1 ohm. So we'll see. We are getting here 0 deflection at 45 centimeter. So value of P is 45. Value of Q will be 100 minus 45 is 55.
Yes.
So P is 45, Q is 55, and then by using the formula we can calculate the answer, and then we can repeat the experiment for 2 ohm, 3 ohm, and we can take 5 observations. Table serial number, resistance from resistance box in ohm, length AB is equal to L, or we can say this is the value of P, and length BC, this is the value of Q. And then by using the formula we'll find out unknown resistance. So these are the unknown resistance. Then we'll find out the average. With the help of this average value we can calculate resistivity, where radius of wire is 0.012 centimeter and length of the wire is 1 meter.